Hi everyone, I am at Westfield Mall in LA, and I'm going to go to Container Store where the Home Edit show buys their products, and I'm gonna show you how much it costs here and how much you can get it in some other places. You can get it for cheap, or less the price here. So let's go.
Yes, I'll come back to you. Then I'll ask, what have we
So we are here at the Container Store, and it's a place where you can get stuff to organize, but I know that here it's kind of expensive, so let's go inside. People buying home edit stuff. So this is the area where you can get the products. These are everything organizer, everything drawer organizer. These are the ones that I got from Amazon. So here it costs $16 for a set of 4. Put your baking pans to organize your baking pans under the cabinet, kitchen cabinet, and it's kind of cheap baskets. Not that expensive. You can get them cheaper. This is kind of cool to organize your Ziplocs. This shoebox is the same as what I got. Exactly the same what I got from Daiso for $2. And it's for organizing small stuff in your drawers. And it's not that expensive. That's $5 each. Get it for a lower price at Ross, TJ Maxx. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that short video I did. That was the Container Store, where the Home Edit show gets their products, and they actually have their own section over there, which I showed you. But there are things that you can get ideas from that. Also, there are stuff they have that are cheap, and they're all, most of them are expensive, but you can get that for less in some other stores like the Ross, TJ Maxx, or Daiso, and even Target. So the next video I'm going to show you is where you can get those things for less, so you can organize. It's so much fun, but a little hard work, but at the end you will enjoy looking at your stuff organized. So I hope you enjoyed that, and please stay tuned for more organizing videos that I have, and I'm still gonna do my closet anyway. So everyone, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and everyone, please take care and God bless.